Subscribe to James the Sheriff Dixon, you motherfuckers.
What's going on, guys? James here, bringing another video. And if you clicked on this title, it's because it has Jeffy and the word in it. This is gonna be like my first unboxing video. Well, it's not really a box the way they packaged it. This is the package that comes. Let me back up so you can get what my this is my posing on. This is the back of it. Well, I probably should not have shown you. Well, I don't fucking care. It's just my address. So let's cut into this bad boy. I'm using my Walking Dead Melissa McBride knife. I fucking love that show. But yeah, the reason I got this is because I love Super Mario Logan. I've been a fan of his work since the Stupid and Dumb Adventures. Since I've been watching since I was in middle school. So yeah, I'm his age, and I'm a fan of his. Oh, if you're wondering why my closet's open, I can't get it the fuck closed. That's as far as I can get it closed. Like, you're about to see inside my closet. Yeah, I can't get it closed. There's more fucking old packages in there. So I thought I would start doing unboxing videos or showing what I got in the mail videos because, well, let me just show you. Right, you see the fucking wands, but like, let me quick little room tour. I got a whole bunch of shit. Got fucking swords. Oh, you're gonna see my private stash. I should. Oh, hang on a second. My computer went dark there. Oh, that's for my PlayStation shit. That's the liquor stash over there. I'm trying to fuck. It's not fucking working. It's my katana. And then I got a whole wall of like photos and figurines back there. My Walking Dead hat. But yeah, quick little room tour of my room. But yeah, let's get back to the actual what you clicked on here to see. I did not open this. I got this yesterday. Well, yeah, I got this Tuesday, and it's Wednesday as I'm making the video, and it will be uploaded Wednesday. So yeah, let's cut into this bad boy. Just rip into it. We don't. I probably should very be careful of them. Oh, who cares? I just like showing this off. I'm gonna use. Yeah, I should have been. The puppet is right. Fuck. The puppet is right fucking there. Right there. Alright. Oh no, it comes in a little baggie. There's nothing else in there from what I can say. I've never done an unboxing video. I've seen them, but like, it's nothing there. I'm gonna throw that on the floor for now. Oh, I'm doing this as I'm getting off at work at 2:30 in the morning. Well, it's 3 o'clock now. I'm gonna have 2:30, but it comes in this cute little bag. I open this up. I don't know. Well, oh, I can't open this. It's real easy to open. And oh, hang on. I got something. It's Jeffy. Does it? Wait. Yeah, it's the puppet. Does it come with? And it does not come with its. This is like the one from the vlog. Yeah, let's see what else is in here. Created by Jumper, all the material got SML. Okay, it says that SML, yeah. Wow, it seems like Jeffy has found. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna read you what's on the card. That's what I'm doing now. This came with this. Let me back up and like show you the full thing before I read that. That was also in the bag. So let me show you the. This is what you'll be getting when you get the Jeffy puppet. This is a close up of the face. All right. Oh, the shirt. The shirt. Jeffy on it. All right, let me read the card. All right. Wow, seems like Jeffy has found his way into your life. Oh, into your home. He's loud, sassy, and a little bit slow, but I'm sure you'll have a ton of fun with him. Just watch what happens when you give him a saxophone. The Jeffy puppet is an incredible milestone for my channel, and I'd like to thank all of you for making this a real thing. It means the world to me to know I can make someone's day a little bit better with my videos. P.S. Want to see message introductions. Oh. Okay, there's something about there's a Super Mario Logan instruction for this thing. Okay, I'll save this for later and see if I can make a separate a part 2 maybe. Okay. But yeah, that's the puppet. The Jeffy puppet. Yeah. I'm just gonna, as I'm ending the, I'm trying to get a good angle. Yeah, that's the Jeffy puppet. It doesn't come with a, I guess I could just put it up put a shirt, my hand up its back, and that'll be good enough. But yeah, this is the Jeffy puppet. Yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, if you like what you've been seeing, please like and subscribe for more. I'm filming this Wednesday. It's gonna be up later in the week because, if you have already seen on my channel, I already have the Carolina Reaper challenge video uploaded. So I didn't mean to say Wednesday. I'm sorry about that. I meant to say this will be like uploaded Thursday. If not Thursday, then Friday. So yeah, if you like this, and want to see more unboxings, then from more stuff that when I get stuff, then yeah, let me know in the comments or yeah, let me know in the comments. Whatever. I read the comments. I'm one of those guys. But yeah. Oh, excuse me. So yeah. This is James saying, if you like what you've been seeing, please like and subscribe for more. James saying, peace. I'll let Brandon Rogers take it from here. See you in the next video, guys.
Right, I just want to shout out an amazing channel, James the Sheriff Dixon. Oh, he's such a great guy, and he is super cool for coming to the show. I'm glad I got to meet him in person, and you should subscribe.